Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about modal verbs. That is may, might, can, could, etc. Let's get started. A modal verb is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity or possibility. It actually adds information to the main verb. Yon modal verb, c'est un verbe auxiliaire qui exprime nécessité ou bien possibilité. Li ajoute information à verbe principal là. Some modal verbs are used to make a request or offer. Gen kek modal verbs ki yo utilize pou fè demande ou bien offre. We also use them to talk about ability or ask for permission. Nou utilize yo tou pou di sa ou moun ka fè ou bien pou mande permission. Nou utilize modal verb pou nou di ke yon bagay certain, possible ou bien impossible. We use may, might, and could to say that something is possible but not certain. Nou utilize may, might, could pou nou di ke yon bagay possible men ke nou pa sure. For example, they may come by car. Par exemple, yo ka vini sou machine. They might be at home. Yo ka la kayo. If we don't hurry, we could be late. Si nou pa apresi, nou ka en retard. May is also used in the present tense to indicate something that is likely to happen or to ask for permission or give permission. Nou utilize may pou nou indike ke yon bagay kapab rive ou bien pou nou mande permission ou bien pou nou bay permission. For example, may I use your phone? Par exemple, eske m ka utilize telefon ou an? You may start now. Ou ka komanse kon ya. Can. Can shows an ability to do something. The negative is cannot or can't. We use can to make general statements about what is possible. For example, it can be very cold in the winter. You can easily get lost in this town. Like I said earlier, it's also used to express someone's ability. An example is, I can drive a car. Can plus subject plus verb. Can you swim? Can you draw? Est-ce qu'on kon nage? Est-ce qu'on ka fè dessin? Be able to is also used to express ability. It is synonymous with can. For example, I am able to ride a bike. I can ride a bike. Nou utilize be able to pou nou di ke nou kapab fè yon bagay. Can't, cannot, can't. We use can't or cannot to say that something is impossible or that you don't actually have the ability to do something. For example, I can't drive. I don't have the ability to drive. I'm not able to drive. Nou utilize can't ou bien cannot pou nou di ke yon bagay impossible ou bien pou nou di ke nou pa ka fè yon bagay. Must. We use must for strong advice or for obligations. To show we are sure something is true and we have reasons for our belief. For example, it's getting dark. Must be quite late. You haven't eaten anything today. You must be very hungry. You must study hard if you really want to become better at speaking English. Might. We use might when we are not sure about something. Nou utilize might le nou pa sure de yon bagay. Might is also used as the past tense of may for requests. For instance, Joe asked if he might borrow your book. Joe demandait s'il ka prêter livre. My parents wanted to know if they might come to my house later. Paran m demande m si yo ka vin la kay mwen pi ta. We use should to suggest that something is true and we have reasons for our suggestion. Nou utilize should pou nou suggere ke yon bagay vre ke nou pense ke nou gen rezon pou nou fè suggestion sa. For example, you can ask your mother about it. She should know. We also use should for advice. Nou utilize should tou pou nou bay konsey. For instance, you look tired. You should rest. Ou paret fatige ou ta supposé pran repos. Would. Would is used to make a request or offer. Would is also the past of will. For example, she said she would not be there. Would you like a glass of water? I would like a mug of coffee. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next. Be sure to subscribe.